What's going on, beautiful people? It's been a little while since we've come across each other. I don't know about you, but I've been missing you guys a hell of a lot. So we've been doing a couple of short contents over the last couple of weeks just to test the waters and see how they go. They're doing pretty well, but today we're getting back to the long form content, the ones that I know you guys love. So today we're going to be doing these Fracap boots. These are brand new. Customers decided that they're really slick and slippy, so we're going to be ripping all these old soles off, putting on a nice Vibram Christie sole, plus a Vibram Arctic Grip sole. Now for my trainers, I've just done a pair of Arctic Grip soles on these, so that's the kind of look that we're going for. They're really good at grip, especially for the winter coming in. So we're going to get these cracked open and see what we've got. Alright, so we're going to begin the breakdown process on these Fracaps. We're going to be removing this entire sole on the top here and be completely replacing that with a nice Vibram Christie to begin with. Let's go. Okay, so for this last bit, we're just going to take it to the machine. We're just going to sand this last bit off at the heel. It ain't coming off with just me pulling at it, so I'm going to do this nice and carefully as not to break any of the stitches that's attached to the midsole on. Okay guys, so that's just got our Christie sole on. Next up we're going to be sanding this all flat. We're going to get our Arctic Grip sole on the bottom. Let's get going. Now, I don't know about you, but isn't that just the sickest sole that you've ever seen? I think it's one of the coolest soles on the market. It's super grippy, just looks great. Can't wait to get these on and see what these guys look like. We're just going to heat this up in the heat lamp and get it stuck on to the shoe. Now there's multiple textures on these. These have a kind of foam feeling to them. That gives you a lot of the grip on the ice and everything like that. Same at the heel area here. And then we've got a little nice little diamond accent just for some extra detail. Alright guys, so that's the shoes completely finished off. Now we're just going to give the uppers a little bit of a clean up and a brush up and make them shine. We've got our new Horsehair Cobbler G brush. This is really nice, gives a really good buff. So let me know if you guys would ever be interested in maybe having something like this. Drop a little comment below and we could probably make these available. Alright guys, so let's keep going with these shoes. Alright guys, so that's completely done with another project. These Fracap boots got the Cobble G treatment, ripping off all those old slippy soles, replacing it with the Vibram Christie and a nice Arctic Grip sole. So these guys have never looked better, one of a kind Fracaps. I think they're sick. Sad to give them back to the customer because I want to put these on my feet. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning into the video. As always, mad respect for you guys. Christmas is coming up in a couple of days. Hope you and all your families have the best of times during the festive period. Alright, we'll catch you in 2025.